Happy September, everybody. Hard to believe that we are starting into the fall season. Kiddos have been back to school for a couple of weeks. Sports are in full effect. So Friday Night Lights is always exciting. Iowa State game coming up this weekend, Saturday at 2:30. So make sure you tune in for that. I actually am going to be at a wedding, so I am not going to be able to watch that, but those are always a fun time. Also with September typically comes homecoming parades. Get out there, be part of the community, go to those parades, have fun with the kiddos, enjoy the time outside while the weather lasts, because it will not last long. It is starting to cool down in the mornings already, and likely will just keep plummeting, which I'm not happy about. So not ready for pumpkin spice yet, but definitely on the way there. So hope you have a great September, and we will be back at you soon. Just a little tidbit, if you're looking to sell, the market is on fire. There is low inventory. Buyers are still looking. There's not a lot out there for them to choose from, and the rates are low. So if you're looking to sell, let me know, let your favorite realtor know, and we will get you all set up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.